Hi everyone, introducing a new Autumn Winter 20 winter jacket called the Adair. It has a two-way front centre zip, button press double storm flap and drain channel, concealed chest pocket, it has a staggering 9 pockets in total. This jacket. It has 2 chest pockets with snap fastenings, 2 angled welt pockets and 2 lower patch pockets with hand warmers. A fishtail hem, adjustable shockcord waist, Sherpa fur lining to the hood, grown on hood with adjusters and removable faux fur trim, internal storm cuffs. This jacket features Regatta's Isotex waterproof and breathable membrane and has a 100% polyester marl interest fabric. To keep you warm, it is a heavyweight fill of synthetic warm-loft down torch water repellent insulation. Hope you enjoyed, thank you for watching.